Hey everybody, this is Rapid Fills here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. I thought I'd do a video since I haven't dropped a video as long as I remember this week. So uh, first of all, I want you to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, hit that like button so it reaches, I don't know, most amount of people, I think. And just a reminder, we have the bootcamp that is starting soon. If you go to mechanicinvestors.com, you go to the bootcamp. You will be able to see what you get, the value that you get, and obviously at a huge discount, some of the trades that we take. And if you have any questions, just reach out. Again, if you guys not follow me on Twitter, I don't know what are you guys doing. So I post literally my trades of the day. Here we go. We could literally review the trades. So TME, today we had a huge gap down, and as you can see here, I shorted roughly 20, 25, and I got all out at 18. So and this was called on voice in chat. Let me bring my TC 2000 here. Stretch this out like this. What's going on? It's just a charting platform. All right, here we go. So I'll stretch this up, stretch this down. And this is APPS. We wanted TME. So TME, this is the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, as you can see. Let's go to the daily. That will make more sense to you guys. Okay, so we had a huge drop one day, 2-day huge drop. So think of it. If you're short, what are you gonna do? If you're swinging this short, what are you gonna do when you see this drop and it comes to support, right? Because if we go here, let's go through this step by step, right? This thing was breaking out. So this is literally what you have to do to kind of understand what's going on. This is breaking out, so now it's going perfect. Now we have higher lows right here, so people are looking at this as a breakout. Obviously right here, you can see it's a breakout. Now these guys got stopped out, and it's coming here. It just sliced through it. So where's the next support? Right here. It actually gapped even lower. So what we have is this zone right here where the stock wants to bounce off of, right? So literally, this day was kind of given on the stock. The stock just went from 32 to 16. It's 50% off. Anyway, so if we go to a daily perspective, right? So we can see this is the 25th, this is the 26th, this is the 25th. So washed off, and this morning gapped down and it started moving higher. Now this is perfect. This is what I was saying in chat. Wait for that bounce. You don't have to jump the gun. And I said it in the morning too. I was like, I'm not looking for to get involved in any trade in the morning. I'm just waiting and watching. So literally, I saw this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. It's kind of common sense, right? It's right here. It's the VWAP. I actually took it a little bit earlier, but that comes from experience. But if you just want to play the obvious, this was the obvious trade right here, right? And then if you take this in consideration, you think it's a shoulder, head, shoulder, right? Anyways, I took a short roughly 2025, as you guys saw. If you guys are on Twitter, follow me on Twitter. I post my charts, and I got in right there, right under this closing line right here, and I just shorted it, and I was just taking profits as I go. VWAP, check. 1950 is a semi-round number, check. 19, check. Lower day, I actually covered everything at 18 for a reason. Do you want to know the reason why? Here's the reason. I have a line sitting right there. Do you see that? That cyan line on my DAS platform? And that's just too much of a pull to a super strong support. So just cover it, wait for the bounce. And sure enough, I think it bounced from there. Yeah, it bounced right to almost VWAP and then it sold off again. So take the obvious trades. You don't have to trade the open in that whippy trades. Anyways, the other one, and I called this in chat. I was trading this live on voice with stock operator. VSell. This was on a little bit on the low volume, but literally what I saw is, if this makes sense to you. So you can trend line and you can see this thing is moving higher. And now it cracked the trend line, but there is a bigger trend line that I was even looking at, and it was this. All right, I think we can use this line on the daily, on like the recent days highs or whatever. So I had my line sitting right there. So I was like, this is perfect, right? So it trades high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Breaks that trend, goes up. Overall trend of this is a high, this is another high. So, and now it's forming kind of head and shoulders, right? So maybe it breaks even lower. Anyways, I was looking for a day trade. And I saw this kind of creeping up, and I said, 55.50s, it's the zone that I'm looking at. I failed to take it, but it is what it is. Again, more lines kind of meet up at the same spot. A lot of people are looking at the same thing, and it just washes. The other one that I called was OI in chat, and literally I posted, it doesn't get any better than this, guys. I posted the chart. You know what? Let me bring the chat really quick here. So this is our chat. If you're not in chat, this is, or get it. This is the chat. So let me go up. All right. So here we go. I think it's, yeah, this is in the morning when I posted it. It's 7:23. It's literally when I posted this. I was trading this in the morning, and then we were talking about Baidu, how Baidu hit that thing, and I was explaining, people asking questions, which is great. Right here, I just gave that on the voice, and I posted the chart. Look at that, 2-minute chart. I'm like, this is perfect. I have so much stuff lining up with that. So that was 1480. Okay, and this is the candle that I was looking at. So this is the candle that I was looking at. So 80, you have a 94, so you have 14 cents risk, or I had 14 cents risk to come all the way down to 14. So you do the math. So these are the 3 trades that I called today. I didn't really see much, but it is what it is. Not every day you get super juicy, a lot of trades. But anyways, another one I called actually. What was the ticker? I posted the chart for this one too, but this could be a nice KBR, nice chart for Monday. So this thing pops, flags, pops, flags, pops, flags. Now we have a flag throughout the whole day. Last 5 minutes of the day, it just breaks that flag. So we'll see what's gonna happen here on Monday. And if we go to the daily, you can see this thing is just for the past, whatever, today, 1 day, 5 years. Okay, so for 5 years, it's coming up to this resistance right here. But again, we do still have room to probably here before a pullback or so. I'll be watching. I'm looking for day trades. I'm not looking for swing trades by any means. It's quite a bit extended now, as you can see here. I don't even know what these are. Monthly candles. Here you go. I'm still playing with this platform, which is TC2000, but I mainly trade off of DAS, trader with IB. Anyway, so we can see here a huge move to the upside. This is the second day. We'll see if it breaks or do a fake breakout. If you haven't watched my fake breakout, check it out. And that's it, essentially today, just OI in TME trades, and a lot of other names like VIPS. VIPS today did the same thing, kind of same action, but TME was a little weaker. But again, this thing topped off the same time that TME topped off, and both of them just washed to the lows. VIAC, another one. This thing been coughing here. It's just straight down. I did say 45 might be a spot for a bounce, but it just did not give anything at the 45, and it's just kept going and going and going and going. And the 40 was the mark that everybody apparently looks like was looking at. Anyways, the 40. So maybe we get a trade on it on Monday. We'll see what happens here. But again, super. Pretty much cut in half. This is 100 to 40s, closed up roughly 50, so it's like 50% off right now. When I say 50% off, does not mean it's a buy, just for your information. But you can see straight up, boom, elevated down. Anyways, guys, again, we have the bootcamp coming up. Please hit the like button. Follow me on Twitter. Follow us on Twitter, Mechanic Investors. I have all the handles sitting right here for your convenience. And come join the next bootcamp. See what we can do for you. If you have any questions, reach out, and have a good weekend, guys.